Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking you deep into the heart of Vietnam to show you something really special, the final steps in crafting a stunning wooden vase, just like this one right here. It might look simple at first glance, but there's a whole world of skill, tradition, and patience behind every curve and swirl in the grain. From the last rounds of shaping, to sanding it silky smooth, and finishing it off with a beautiful natural shine. This is the kind of craftsmanship that's been passed down through generations. So stick around. We're going behind the scenes in a small local workshop, where the magic truly happens. This is where skill meets patience. With just a piece of sandpaper and steady hands, the craftsman carefully smooths every curve of the vase. It may look simple, but every pass is intentional, guided by years of experience and a keen eye for detail. One wrong move, and hours of work could be lost. This isn't just sanding. It's the final touch that brings the wood to life. This wooden vase isn't hollow, and it's not meant to hold flowers. It stands on its own, a pure piece of craftsmanship, where the shape, the curves, and the grain do all the talking. It's perfect for a quiet corner, a bookshelf, or a hallway table, especially in a home with rustic charm, where wood speaks the language of time. In a vintage-style house built with worn timber, this vase feels right at home. No need to fill it with anything. Just let the wood shine. After a coat of protective oil brings out the warmth of the wood grain, the craftsman moves on to the final and most delicate part, shaping the base of the vase. With a fine wire-thin blade spinning fast, he carefully guides it through the tight space. It's not just cutting wood, it's sculpting a line that defines the balance and elegance of the whole piece. His eyes never leave the spot, one hand steadying the vase, the other feeling the vibration of the blade. It's precision, patience, and pure focus. You can feel the care in every move. To shape the gentle curve under the vase's lip, the craftsman switches to a handheld grinder. Layer by layer, he shaves the wood away. Slow, steady, and precise. There's no template here. Just the eyes of a skilled artisan, and years of experience guiding each move. The buzzing tool may sound rough, but in his hands, it moves with the touch of a sculptor. Every pass brings the vase closer to its final, elegant silhouette. After hours of careful shaping and sanding, the vase is nearly complete. All that's left is a final coat of oil to bring out the wood's natural luster and seal in its timeless beauty. From solid timber to a refined work of art, this piece is a tribute to patience, skill, and tradition. Thank you for watching and for appreciating the quiet artistry that still lives in handmade craftsmanship. Until next time.